Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna introduce this gorgeous Paphiopedilum orchid. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will talk about all different kinds of flowers in the future. This orchid is called Paphiopedilum Michael Koopowitz. It is a primary hybrid between Paphiopedilum philippinense and Paphiopedilum sanderianum. Both of its parents are sleeper orchids, which are native to the limestone cliffs of Borneo. They flower in the fall through winter, developing 3 to 5 maroon and cream-colored blossoms with incredibly long twisting petals. These trailing petals are a trait which this orchid inherits from its parent Paphiopedilum sanderianum. Its flowers are relatively persistent, lasting for several weeks. As a sleeper orchid, it is a sympodial orchid which lacks pseudobulbs and will grow several shoots which each bloom one time upon reaching maturity. One of the best things about this genus is its high resilience to insect pests, which can be a nightmare when caring for some more delicate orchids. Stay vigilant for fungal and bacterial infections. This Paphiopedilum will thrive in somewhat bright indirect light. A shaded south-facing location or an east or west window will be ideal. These orchids like to remain moist and should not dry out completely between waterings. I water mine every 3 days. Be careful not to pour water into the leaves or stems, as these can lead to stem rot if it pools. This hybrid enjoys good but gentle air circulation and intermediate to warm temperatures. I usually keep mine indoors all year. They enjoy humidity between 50% to 80%. The potting medium should include fine bark and some component which helps with moisture retention. I use sphagnum moss. They should be repotted about once every 2 years and should not be over-potted. This orchid is a cassical because both of its parents are native to limestone cliffs. So I also mix crushed oyster shell and larger chunks of limestone into the medium. Charcoal is also a good idea to avoid burning the roots when fertilizing. About fertilizer, the fleshy hair roots of this orchid are sensitive to build up. Fertilize once every 2 weeks. It is better to underfeed than overfeed and burn the roots. Flush the pot with water at least once monthly to remove built-up fertilizer. These orchids grow relatively quickly compared to other Paphiopedilums. They should be divided once yours becomes too large for you to manage. Split the shoots into sections of 3 and repot into small containers. Alright, this is today's video. I hope it is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.